Okay, today is the day. I am going to learn the entire cardiovascular system. But first, I should probably tidy the desk. You can't study in chaos. Perfect, that's much better. Now I'll just make a fresh tea. And maybe a snack, because glucose? The brain literally needs fuel to focus. It's neuroscience. Right, cardiovascular system. Actually, should I make a study playlist first? Background music helps with focus. That's a thing. I don't even know where the time went. They say time flies when you're having fun. But I haven't even opened the book. And the weird thing is, I actually really want to know this stuff. Turns out, my brain needs the reward to already exist before it'll start. Like the dopamine fires at the finish line. But for some of us, the finish line is invisible until we're basically already there. Now, we've heard about this time study approach. Let's try it. 25 minutes of focus. Here we go. But at least I'm really ready to study now and focus. The playlist is ready. The desk is clean. Let's go.